everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Drew here from Lone Fox, and today I have a DIY video for you, but not only is it a DIY video, it is also my 200,000 subscriber giveaway, and that's going to take place at the end of the video, which I am so excited for. I've actually never done a giveaway on this channel before. This is my first one. I can't believe we hit 200K. That is insane, and I'm giving away a total of 8 different prizes. 8 of you guys can win this giveaway, which is amazing. So definitely stay tuned, stick around to the end because I'm gonna give you guys all of the details. It's 100% international, so don't worry about that. But today I'm doing a Target dollar spot DIY/hacks video for you, and I kind of was just going to do my 200,000 subscriber giveaway as just a video on its own, but then I was kind of like, you know what, like I want to add a couple of just miniature projects in this video. So this video is kind of just like a miniature DIY video / my 200,000 subscriber giveaway. It's not going to be a full-on super intense DIY projects, but I think that these 3 projects that I am going to share with you are super amazing and great, especially for the summertime, because these are all items that you can find in your Target's dollar section right now for summer. Target, your dollar spot is like $3 and $5, which I guess it's called a dollar spot, so I guess it could be $3 or $5, but I expected everything to be $1. I really haven't shopped the dollar section at my Target very often, but I did go there in attempts to kind of like DIY some items from there, and I did pick up some things, but most of them were $3 or $5, but I think you guys are definitely going to love the project still because they came out amazing and look a lot more expensive than, of course, what I purchased them for, and I think you're going to definitely love them, and they are perfect for the summer season that we're currently in, so stay tuned for those. And quickly before jumping in, definitely subscribe to my channel. I post brand new home decor and DIY content every single week here on the channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram at LoneFoxHome, which I'll put on the screen for you guys. But let's just jump onto these projects and then roll on into the giveaway. Alrighty, jumping in, the first project that we're going to be making is using this Target dollar spot little spool with some string and clothespins on it. I'm honestly not too sure what this is used for, but I could imagine it being used for like a picture hanging banner or something along the lines of like DIY or crafting in general. So what I did was I pulled off all the clothespins, and I'm actually breaking these apart. Or well, I'm not breaking them, I'm actually just disconnecting them. And basically how you do this is you just pull out the sides of the wooden clothespin from the little metal hinge in the center. It's pretty simple and easy. Not too much force is used at all. Just set those little metal pieces aside, and then you're gonna have all your wooden sections. So I'm basically going to be gluing these wooden sections together from the very bottom points, and I'm connecting them together, and this is just kind of like a little bit of a placement holder. It's not gonna be super strong bond because later on I'm actually going to glue it to the spool base and actually create kind of like a little candle holder. So I'm gluing all these together. I think I used about 15 to 16 of them, so you're gonna need a total of that many clothespins, but that little Target $3 spool actually came with quite a few clothespins. Once those were all completely dried, I basically glued them onto the spool, and this is kind of going to be the base or the like foundation structure for our candle holder. And I'm gluing them with the little like rivets of the wood pieces facing outwards, just because I find that to be a little bit more decorative. I think it kind of has like more of a finished look, if you will. So I've glued these all the way around, leaving about a 1/4 inch gap in between, kind of like basically missing every other spot with the little clothespin sections. And I glued this all the way around the edge. You can do it back to back if you want to make it like extremely solid and not have any gaps at all, but I thought having the gaps kind of created a little bit more of a visual like interest because you can kind of see on the inside of the spool. Then once I was done, I decided that I actually wanted to go in with a little bit of black paint, and I probably should have painted these before gluing them onto the spool, just to be very careful to not get any paint on the spool, but I kind of did this as a last minute thing. I thought the wood was going to be nice to start with, but I ended up just wanting to add a little bit more of a kind of like farmhouse effect to it, so I painted it with a black paint, and I just did this on the outside, and then I also went in and lined the inside edges of all of these little clothespins just to give it a finished look. A little random side note, I created a choker necklace using the center sections of those clothespins, so kind of like a little add-on project to the little $3 candle holder we already created. Moving right along, I'm going to be using these little metal lanterns that I found at the Target dollar section. I got a larger and a smaller one, and I think these are meant for like the barbecue / 4th of July sort of theme that they're going for right now. And I gave them a nice coat of a satin white spray paint, and this was just to make them a little bit more cohesive because I wanted them to end up looking very fresh and clean. So here's the larger one with the white paint and then this smaller one, and these took the spray paint extremely well. So next what I'm doing is I'm grabbing a couple of yarns that I just have in my collection here, and I'm actually going to be attaching these to the bottom of the smaller one, so to the handle section of the smaller lantern. I ended up adding that little red strip, but I ended up taking it off in the end and kind of going with more of a creamy white gray / yellow theme, and I'm just kind of cutting them off. I'm using a couple strands at a time and just varying the lengths very random, and if you keep them long you could actually end up cutting them in the end. And then I'm using a quick hold, like a cement adhesive, super strong bond, and I'm gluing this smaller one to the larger one's bottom half because I wanted it to look a little bit more of a grander lantern, and I see a lot of lanterns shaped like this anyways, so I thought it was nice to kind of just give this lantern a little bit more of a decorative accessory to the bottom using the smaller lantern. And I ended up adding a couple more strands the next day because I just felt like it wasn't full enough, so I kind of just piled on the yarn to give it a very, very thick and just like more whimsical design to the bottom of it. And then once you are completely done, you could hang it up and you have a perfect summer party lantern. Saving one of the best projects for last, I'm using this wooden tray from the Target dollar spot. It is actually pretty cute to start with, but I want to turn it into something even cuter. So I'm starting off by using some foam board, and this is from Michaels, but it's basically just any foam board. You can get it really anywhere. It's meant for science projects, and I'm actually measuring out a 1 3/4 inch wide section, and I'm using an X-Acto knife and ruler to carefully go over it multiple times until the foam is cut very cleanly. That is my definite recommendation on how to cut foam board. Do not use scissors, do not use anything but an X-Acto knife and a ruler, and just go slowly and over the section multiple times. So I cut out multiple, I think I cut about 3 or 4 1 3/4 inch wide sections, and these are going to be the shelves inside of our little framework, which is the tray. So all I did was I cut it down to the width of the tray and just used a ruler to measure out the width, and then use a little bit of strong bond adhesive just to glue this down onto the inside section of your tray. So the tray is kind of acting as like the frame or the foundation, and once those are all glued in, I'm actually going to be adding some vertical sections to this, and I'm going to just kind of place my piece on there, measure it out, cut it down to size, and then just stick it in the slot. So just use your ruler to kind of measure out the section in between the shelves like this, and then use your X-Acto knife to score it, cut the section, and then glue it in. And this is going to create a miniature little display case, which I thought would be so cute for like if you're a crystal collector, or if you have any like miniature little jewelry pieces, or just anything miniature that you want to display and put on display for in your room or for your friends, whatever it might be. I thought this was a super cute idea. Alrighty, so how fun were some of those projects? I definitely think the lantern is such a fun idea for like a summer party or like a barbecue, or just to keep it inside. If you like that vibe in your home, then go for it. And you can paint these any color you want, like a matte farmhouse black could be really, really nice, and then just maybe like altering the tassels for some like rope or something to give it more of a rustic vibe. There's a lot you could do with those, but the moment you guys have all been waiting for is the 200,000 subscriber giveaway, and let's just get into that right now. I just want to let you all know that this giveaway is 100% international. If you are anywhere, if you are a viewer from absolutely anywhere, you are able to enter this giveaway, and I will ship prizes absolutely wherever they need to go, because I definitely think investing a little bit more to have everyone getting an equal opportunity is amazing. So that's going to be the first thing. And the second thing is that this giveaway is going to be open for 2 weeks from today, which means that the giveaway is going to be open until July 10th. So July 10th is going to be the last day to enter this giveaway, and I'll have a lot more information in the description box below if you just want to see more of a written out version rather than hearing me talk about it, because I can talk kind of quick sometimes. But I'm sure you're all wondering what you are going to win, and the winner of the giveaway, I'm going to be giving away 5 $100 Amazon gift cards. So 5 winners are going to receive a $100 Amazon gift card. And then I thought, you know what, on top of that, I want to give away some DIY projects, because so many of you guys, when I posted on my YouTube community, said that you would love to receive DIY projects from me. And I was like, I never even expected that at all. So I thought it would be so much fun to have 3 additional winners win a custom DIY project from me. So each of them will receive 1 custom project made by me, and I'm actually going to turn those projects into a video called called DIYing Gifts for My Subscribers. So I'm so excited. 3 of you guys could win a custom DIY project from me, and I'll be in contact with you after the giveaway ends and you are chosen to kind of create your custom project, and we can just like brainstorm and think of fun things. So I think that idea is just so fun in general. So those are the prizes: 5 Amazon gift cards and 3 custom DIY projects. And it is so simple to enter this giveaway, and there are actually multiple different ways to enter, and all you have to do is just follow the link in the description box below. There's a link right at the top. It's a Rafflecopter link. So you're gonna see right at the top of my description box, it'll say enter this giveaway, and there'll be a Rafflecopter link. So click on that link, and this is going to take you to my custom like little Rafflecopter site, and that just makes it so much easier to enter giveaways as opposed to like having to comment on videos and stuff. So once you head over there, you could simply follow the directions over on the Rafflecopter page. All you have to do is enter your email to start. Just press login with email at the bottom. And there are 3 different ways to enter this giveaway. So the first one gives you 3 entries, and that is to be subscribed to my channel. The second one, it gives you 2 entries, and that's to be following Lone Fox Home on Instagram. And the third option is to be following my personal Instagram account, and that gives you 1 point. So you can gain a total of 6 different entries to this giveaway. And it adds up, and then at the end, it's just going to anonymously choose 8 different winners. It's very easy and pretty straightforward if you click on it and then just head over to the Rafflecopter site and just enter the giveaway through that. I just find it so much easier and a lot more opportunities to enter than just leaving a comment on the video, and it's just a bit more fair, I believe, and it's easier for me to actually contact you guys afterwards to get you guys your prizes. So that was kind of a lot of talking, but I'm very excited about this giveaway, and I just want to thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for getting me to 200,000 subscribers. That is absolutely amazing, and I cannot believe just the success of this channel in such a short amount of time. I absolutely love creating projects for you guys and doing room makeovers and doing transformations and hacks and organizing. All that stuff is just so fun to me, so I'm so excited that you guys love Lone Fox just as much as I do, and I just wanted to give back to 8 of you guys and give you guys a lovely little prize, and I hope you guys will enter. It's so simple, it's so easy, and of course, if you don't enter, there's no chance of winning, but if you do enter, you never know. There's a chance of winning a prize. So that's all for today's video. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you've not already, because I'm going to be doing more giveaways in the near future, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well. And that's really all. I wish you all the best of luck in this giveaway, and I'm so excited to see who the winners are and to honestly to create those projects for you guys. So excited for that video too. So I will catch you all in the next one. Not going to blabber on anymore. Have an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.